Hi there. If you're running into issues with Facebook Marketplace, it could be due to various reasons. Technical glitches are quite common. This can include problems with Facebook server, software, bugs, or issues with your internet connection. So another thing to check is your account settings. If your Facebook account is set to private, it might limit your ability to access or list items on Marketplace. Additionally, violating Facebook community standards like posting prohibited content can result in being blocked from using Marketplace. It's also worth noting that marketplace availability varies by region, so if you're in an unsupported location or country, then access may be restricted. So now, to troubleshoot these issues, start by checking the Facebook status page to see if there are any ongoing technical problems affecting marketplace. So if there are, it's usually a matter of waiting for Facebook to resolve this issue. Now, the next thing to do is review your account settings, making sure your account is set to public. Also, check for any community standards violation. Logging out and logging back into your Facebook account might also help refresh things. Then, if you're using the Facebook app, ensure it's updated to the latest version. So you can do this through the App Store or Google Play. Just type in Facebook and see if there's any updates available. Now, for those accessing Marketplace through a web browser, you can try to clear your browser cache and cookies, as this can often resolve temporary issues and improve the functioning of Marketplace. And that's basically it. Just give these troubleshooting steps a shot and hopefully you'll be back to using Facebook Marketplace smoothly. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.